Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys are having a very nice day. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you share a screen on Google Meet. So at first, to share a screen on Google Meet, just go to Google Meet. Now here you can see in the bottom right there is a new option. Click on it. And here you can see create a new meeting option. You need to create a new meeting, so click on it. And click on join meeting. Now after that, just click on join. It will be joining as your email. And here you can see there is a three dot icon in the bottom right, which is more controls. Click on it and click on share screen. There are option is here, share screen. Click on it. You can also share your device audio by clicking this option and click on continue. Click on start now and your screen share is turned on. So guys, that's how you can screen share on Google Meet. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Team channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.